Hello friends, today our video will be on types of tissue. We will discuss about various types and their functions and where they are located in our body. So basically there are main four types of tissue. First one is epithelial, second one is nervous tissue, third one is muscular, and fourth one is connective tissue. One by one we will see their functions and their types. So let's move towards our first tissue, that is epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissue is present on the surface of all organs, such as skin and other organs. We will see first we will see what is tissue. Tissue is the group of cell which is similar and which have similar function. It is specialized group of cell which work together for a specific activity. So in epithelial tissue, there are further epithelial tissue is classified into two classes. That is, first one is simple epithelial tissue, and second group is stratified epithelial tissue. In first simple epithelial tissue, it is subdivided into three divisions. One is squamous, columnar epithelial, and one is cuboidal. In second class we have seen stratified tissue, in which four subclasses are divided. First one is squamous, second one is cuboidal, third one is columnar, and fourth one is transitional. First we will see the simple epithelial tissue. Simple epithelial tissue consists of a single layer of epithelial cells, in which first one is squamous. Epithelial tissue, it is squamous simple epithelial tissue. It has a single layer of cells. The structure of the cell is flat, and it is of single layer. Second one is cuboidal. Cuboidal is epithelial cell which have a cube-like structure, in which there is a large circular nuclei present. So and the third one is columnar simple epithelial tissue, which is present in the GIT tract, and its shape is cuboid, means column. It is like column, and it is bigger in height. Columnar tissue is greater in height as compared to its widthness. It is present in GIT tract. For squamous tissue is present. Squamous simple epithelial tissue is present in skin, and also in its function is to provide smooth flowing of fluids present in our body. It is located in alveoli, lungs of alveoli, respiratory tract, and also in heart, the lining of heart, and yes, it is present in all of this. And next is stratified epithelial tissue, in which we have seen four subclasses. First one is squamous, cuboidal, columnar, and fourth one is transitional. We have stratified. First we will see what is the meaning of stratified epithelial tissue. Stratified epithelial tissue is composed of multiple layers of epithelial cells, and it is compact. First we will see squamous stratified tissue. which is composed of flattened cells, and it is in multiple layers present in our body. Squamous epithelial stratified tissue, it is present in our on the skin. Next one is cuboidal. As from the name we can understand, it is a cube-like shape, and squamous cell can be seen in polygon shape from the top surface. Fourth one is transitional epithelial tissue, which is present in stratified class. It is a specialized tissue, because it is known as specialized because it do not have particular shape and size. It can vary from one shape to another, and it can be flexible as well. That's why it is named as specialized group of cell, which is called transitional tissue. Next we will see their functions. The main function of epithelial tissue is secretion, absorption, filtration, and one is protection. The epithelial tissue protects the inner environment of body from the external environment. The secretion, we will see epithelial secretes waste from our body, and also enzymes and hormones in our body. Further we will see how epithelial helps in absorption. It helps in absorption such as the intake of nutrients and food in our body. And the last one is filtration. Epithelial cells are also present in kidney, so it works as the filtration medium in our body, which filter blood and secretes urine in our body. Next class is the connective tissue. In connective tissue, the function of the connective tissue is to connect or separate the one organ from another organ. The main function of the connective tissue is to provide support and connect one part of the body from the other in our body. Further, they have connective tissue includes different types such as blood, bone, cartilage, ligament, aerosol, adipose, and also tendons. We'll see one by one. We'll see their functions. Blood connects and transmit nutrients to all parts of the body. Ligaments connect the bone to bone, and whereas tendon connects bone to muscles. In adipose, adipose is the fat cell which store fats in it. And next is cartilage. Cartilage are not as hard as bones, and are present in nose and ears. It has flexibility properties. Then further we will move towards next class, that is muscular tissue. Muscular tissues are further subdivided into skeleton muscle, smooth muscle, and cardiac muscle. Cardiac muscles are present in the heart, and smooth tissue, muscular tissue helps in easy flow of fluids and movement of body fluids such as food, blood, etc. In the skeleton muscle, it is present it helps to joint skeleton to muscle. And our last class is nervous tissue. Nervous tissues are present in nervous system. Nervous system consists of peripheral nerves, spinal cord, and present and brain. The main function of nervous system is to carry impulses from the body part to the brain and again transmit from brain to the body part. It releases electric impulses which result in the action of our body and the physical feeling which we can understand from the nerve cell. That's all about our video. Thank you.